So I have a down for sound JP1.2z3. This is the any ohm amplifier. It's supposed to do 1200 watts, anywhere between 1 and 4 ohms. My power supply is 150 amps of DC power, plenty enough for this demonstration. Currently hooked up to a Sundown M10, just sitting here, free air. Here's what I'm going to do. This is the remote. I'm going to turn this on. Connect it there. As you can see, amp is now powered up. 13.8 volts, 0 watts. I'm going to feed it a 40 hertz test tone, and I'm going to turn it up. As you can see, we're getting 150 watts out of it. And that's with the gain all the way up. 150, 13.7, 45 hertz, 150 watts. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the music, or the test tone. I'm going to turn off the amp, disconnect the remote, amp is off. Now I'm going to disconnect the woofer. So this goes to the M10. Okay, it is disconnected. Now I'm going to reconnect the power. Okay, amp has now turned on. I'm going to reconnect the speaker after the amp is turned on, and I'm going to play that same test tone. Okay, and I'm going to turn it up. Now look what happens. Now we're getting over 700 watts on the maximum gain. Okay, maximum gain all the way up, still at 13 volts, 700 watts. Okay, now one more time. I will pause it. I'm going to disconnect, power down. I'm going to touch nothing, power back up, power's back up. I'm going to touch the test tone, and I'm going to turn it up. And we're only getting 150 watts, 160. That's it. And the only difference is I have powered up the amp with the speaker connected. When I power up the amp with the speaker disconnected, I get 750, and everything else is equal. All the voltages, all the inputs, nothing has changed except the fact that I have turned the power on to the amp with the speaker connected or disconnected. That is not right. That is not the way it should be. You'll never convince me otherwise, and I don't know what the problem is with this amp.